Hi, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm super excited to walk you through the domain at SoSo, the community, the lifestyle, and what next steps look like for you. So, this is a limited collection of residents in one of West Palm Beach's most desirable neighborhoods. And today I'm going to show you what truly makes that special. So, without further ado, we'll go ahead and get started. So, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jamie Weiler. I am the new home sales consultant here for this project. So, my goal is to be your main resource, answering questions, guiding you throughout the process, and making sure everything feels clear and comfortable from start to finish. So, we're just going to talk a little bit about the agenda and kind of what, the community, the surrounding lifestyle looks like. We'll review the home designs, and then we're going to cover the buying process and the next steps so you know exactly what to expect. So, talking about the goal for today, the goal is simple: introduce the domain at SoSo, help you picture the lifestyle, and make sure that you're feeling confident about what is to come. And then, so we just want to do a little bit about the area and a community overview. The domain at SoSo is located in the highly desirable SoSo neighborhood, just south of Southern Boulevard. So, this location really strikes a balance between convenience and privacy. To put it into context, you're just minutes from the downtown West Palm Beach area, and then you're also, adjacent to Palm Beach Island. So whether it's dining on Worth Avenue, headed to the beach, or enjoying the, cultural scene that the downtown has to offer, everything is very accessible. At the same time, SoSo itself has a very residential, established feel. So it's known for, the proximity to the intercoastal, quieter lifestyle compared to being right in the heart of the downtown, which is a big draw for many buyers. What makes the domain at SoSo especially unique is that it's a private gated community with only 30 residences. So it has that limited, size, creates more of an intimate feel. It's not just this huge, large development, but you're still getting the new construction in a neighborhood where that's very increasingly rare. And then just outside your door, so one of the biggest draws here is what the title says, right outside your door, the ability to enjoy the quiet residential living while staying connected to the energy of West Palm Beach. So, life around the neighborhood. One of the biggest advantages of living at the Domain at SoSo is how close you are to so many different lifestyle options, depending on the day, depending on your mood. So, just minutes away is the Nora District, which is one of West Palm Beach's newest walkable hubs. So, it's great for wellness. There's a solid core, there's another gym as well. There's lots of like healthy lunch cafe spots, and they have more elevated spots as well for dinner. So very easy to pop over there for coffee, for lunch, for a relaxed evening out. I've been there myself. I mean, it really is beautiful, has a lot of charm to it, and it's again walkable, which is really nice and sometimes rare here living in Florida. And then you have City Place in the downtown that is nearby. And that's where you have the energy to the area. So you'll find regular events like live music. They have yoga on the lawn. They have seasonal markets and pop ups and community gatherings. So there's so much to do. It's such a great option when you want that more active social atmosphere. And then kind of tying in with the social atmosphere, you have Clematis Street and the downtown waterfront. So that's another big highlight. This is where you'll find the bars. You'll also find live music. They have festivals. They just recently had one. And then some of the best waterfront views in the city. So it's especially nice out, for like evenings or when friends or family is visiting. And then, for something a little bit more unique, there's Antique Row, which is just a short drive away. So that is internationally known. They have over 40 shops featuring antiques, fine art, they have luxury design pieces. And then, of course, you have Palm Beach Island. So that is right across the bridge. You got Worth Avenue. They have world-class dining. They have like beautiful beach access with that bell tower. It's really just that iconic Palm Beach scenery that's all incredibly close to you. Yet you still get to come home to a private, gated residential, your community. And then so we will jump right into the waterfront everyday living. So residents love Flagler Drive because it's so easy just to enjoy in your everyday life. So in the mornings, it's great for a peaceful walk or jog. If you're into biking, it's a favorite route to take for the scenic rides and, feel that weekend escape that's can also be a part of a daily routine. And for those that are boating enthusiasts, the waterfront is always alive. So if you want to watch just the boats, or if you have a boat yourself, there are tons of marinas nearby to keep your boat, or there's also options for boat clubs to join. So great for anyone that loves the water. And then jumping right into what residents also really love about the SoSo neighborhood is the local dining scene. So it's established, it's charming, and it's very community driven. So just right in SoSo, you have favorites like Mr. B's Tavern. So that is known for more of a relaxed neighborhood vibe and classic comfort food. You have the Blue Door that offers a more intimate upscale dining experience that's great for date nights or special occasions. And for those that love sushi, there is Sushi Joe, which is a go-to spot with high quality fish, and they have a very loyal local following. And then whether you're headed downtown for an intimate dinner or enjoying the waterfront cocktails, as the sun sets, you're watching the sunset or spending a relaxed, afternoon stroll, like looking at the boutiques on Worth Avenue, everything Palm Beach is really known for is just right within reach. So it's a location that lets you move seamlessly from day to night, casual to elegant, all within minutes of your new home. And then kind of just touching on weekend favorites. So honestly, weekends can be whatever you want them to be. So some days you might want to head out early and play a round of golf nearby. There are world-renowned golf courses all throughout Palm Beach and Palm Beach County. So that is something that's definitely a draw if you are a golf enthusiast. And other days it's more about slowing down. So you could do like rooftop yoga in the morning. You could grab coffee downtown and just walk around. One thing that I really love is the green market. So you can wander through this farmer's market. You can pick up fresh food, try local vendors, pick out neat little knickknacks. For many years in a row, it's been ranked number one nationally for all the farmers market, nationwide. So it's definitely worth checking out at least once. And then just to kind of summarize and wrap it all up. So from shopping to dining to entertainment to travel, everything is close. So travel wise, including the Bright Line, the airport, the Turnpike, I-95, those major roadways, it just makes life incredibly convenient. So this slide is just really encapsulating how much everything is close by. One newer addition that I think is worth calling out is Italy. So that has recently opened. It's definitely becoming a quick favorite. So you can grab their fresh ingredients to cook with. You can grab a bite to eat. You can grab coffee. So that's another one that I think that's definitely worth checking out and is a great addition to the West Palm Beach. They're doing a lot of projects that are coming to West Palm Beach. So there's just a ton of stuff already to do and more coming if that's something that you want to partake in. And so now kind of getting just a little bit into the specifics of the community. So the HOA here is designed to support low maintenance living. What it's going to include is the property management, the landscaping, the irrigation. It includes high-speed internet and gate access. Um, and then the HOA, something a little unique here, the HOA is going to handle the water billing for the community. So you're not going to receive a separate bill directly from the city. So the $51.69 is simply a base water fee, similar to the minimum charge you see on any standard water bill. Then the one-time fees collected at closing. And then, very exciting, we're going to actually get into the floor plans here. So, I want to highlight a couple things before we dive into each floor plan. Our homes are built with CBS construction. So, that's going to give you that strength and durability throughout the life of your home, which is especially important here in Southeast Florida. You'll also have concrete tiles with metal accents for this community, and it offers both long-term performance and that modern elevated look. So it's going to look very sleek, very beautiful. And then specifically with this floor plan, the Marlowe features 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths. It's a 2-car garage, and it's just over 2,200 square feet. So it's very thoughtfully designed. It's got a great flow and functionality, and we're expecting these homes throughout the community to finish around Q1 of next year. And then jumping into the actual floor plan. So you'll see on the first floor, you have a bedroom with a full bath, and then you got your 2-car garage. Moving on to the second floor is where you're going to have your open living spaces for entertaining. All the floor plans come with a gourmet built-in kitchen standard, which is a really nice elevated look. It comes with a powder bath on the second floor, and it does have a porch as well. So it's really comfortable for that day-to-day living. And then moving upstairs onto the third floor, you're going to have your owner's suite with an owner's bath and your walk-in closet. And then similarly on the other side, you have bedroom 2 with an ensuite bath as well. And both are very good sized rooms. And then our next floor plan is going to be the saltwater. So the saltwater offers 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and 3-car garage. So that's the big highlight here. It's got the 3-car garage, and then the other, it comes as both an interior and the end units as well. And then again, so looking at the floor plan, so this plan, especially when it's an end unit, are very bright with light because as you can see right here, you got the windows right there on if you're looking on the left side. So that again, that's just going to bring in even more natural light. So the first floor, you have your 3-car garage, you have your porch, and then you got your foyer. The second floor has the kitchen. You got your cafe, you got your gathering room, you have the half bath as well, and then you have your porch. And then this floor plan, all of the bedrooms are upstairs. So you got all the bedrooms upstairs, again with the 2 full baths, walk-in closet, and so on and so forth. So this is great for looking for a modern design, I would say, with a little bit more garage space. And then what is real, this is where really bought like you guys, so the right buyers get to make their home theirs. So after going under contract, you will have a one-on-one personalization appointment with our design team at the design studio. So you'll walk through all of the interior selections like cabinetry, countertops, flooring, etc., all those things. And you get to choose the detail that best reflects your style. So the process is very guided. So even if you haven't done this before, our design consultants are really good at making it feel approachable, simplifying the process. It's a great opportunity to customize the home and create a space that truly feels personal rather than picking, a resale where the options are already there. So you kind of take it as it is. And another thing I would just want to highlight is our Pulte website because it really has some useful tools for you to utilize. So you can walk through the homes using the virtual tours. We have interactive floor plans. You can view photos. They even have a furniture planner to really help visualize how the space is going to work for you. It's a great resource to get more familiar with the layout and the features. And it's a great way to revisit after this info session as we are covering a lot. And then as you can see here, we have our site map. So this shows the layout of the community. So again, as you can see, we're only 30 homes, so availability is limited, which makes each home site selection very important. So We will go over the special VIP pricing for the domain at SoSo. So the Marlowe, which is that interior unit, the base price of the home is going to be 929,990. The saltwater as an interior is going to be 916,990. And the saltwater exterior units, so those end units, are going to be 940,990. So, how our pricing works here at the domain at SoSo, there are three components to your total purchase price. You have the base price of the home, then you have the home site premium. As we know, not all home sites are the same. And then lastly, you're going to have your upgrades. So I just want to emphasize really the value of pre-construction pricing. And I really encourage everyone to book their appointments as soon as scheduling opens, which we'll get to in more detail when when we get further into the presentation. But the pre-construction pricing is really when you're going to get the best pricing. I've seen throughout the years, everyone that buys within that initial opening really does more times than not, build the equity and get the best pricing. So this is what our special VIP pricing is when we go to sale. And then for our, home site release, as you can see here, we're going to be opening up units 1 through 7, and then lots 23 through 30. So these first two buildings right here is what is going to be available to purchase. And then so Deborah Flynn, she's with Pulte Mortgage. She's a great resource for financing. She is our mortgage financial advisor, and they're local. So using our in-house lender, Pulte Mortgage, really allows for a seamless coordination and smooth new construction financing experience. Pulte Mortgage just simply does all of the funding for Pulte. So they are dedicated solely to you. They know this process inside and out. And offer competitive loan options as well. So if you use Pulte Mortgage for financing, you're going to receive $15,000 towards closing costs, or if you use cash as well. So cash and using cash or using Pulte Mortgage is going to give you that $15,000 incentive towards closing costs. And so talking a little bit about our warranty here. So every home that we build is backed with Pulte's warranty program. So that offers really that long-term peace of mind that we stand behind all the homes that we build in. So 10 years is going to be on the structure of the home. 5 years, you have that water infiltration and internal leaks. And something about Pulte, we really do go above and beyond as far as the process in hiring third-party inspectors to come inspect our homes, again, throughout the entire build process. So that is something that is very unique that you don't see quite often with every builder. So your 2 years on your plumbing, electrical, HVAC system, and other mechanical systems. And then you have your 1 year on the materials and the workmanship of the home. And now, so for the sales process timeline, the next steps in the process is going to be scheduling the one-on-one appointments with our online sales specialists. So these VIP appointments are going to be taking place off-site at our West Palm Beach office beginning on May 16th, which is a Saturday. So you'll receive an email reminder letting you know that, hey, it's time to call and book your VIP appointment. And you can start doing that on Monday, May 4th. So once your appointment is scheduled, you'll receive a confirmation email that's going to include the address to our offsite office where we'll be holding the appointments, and you'll get all those appointment details. So definitely keep an eye out for an email so that when they do open up for scheduling, which is again on Monday, May 4th, you can call and book your appointment. And again, it's starting on Saturday, May 16th is going to be the first appointments. And just to wrap up here, so welcome home. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us today and learn more about the domain at SoSo. We're really excited. I'm really excited to help you take the next steps towards calling this community home if it's the right fit for you. And then just again, don't forget about that reminder on Monday, May 4th is when you can call our online sales team to schedule your appointments. So I can't wait to guide you through the rest of the journey, and thanks again.